Hey, Dane here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is day trading, and I'm not a professional trader. This is just my journey into day trading, and this is February 15th. It is a Thursday. Normally I do these on Fridays, but what I'm going to do now is when something significant changes for that day, I'm going to go ahead and report it so I don't forget. Have it happen on Monday and I'm reporting on Friday, no way am I going to remember what the heck happened on Monday. So I'm going to do it when I have a significant day, and I'm going to go ahead and report it. Well, I'm excited because one of my emails came out, said to take a look at a biotech company that is waiting for FDA approval of a product. So I decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and, investigate and find out what it was. Well, you go down, and they want you to subscribe to their letter before they're going to even tell you what it is. But what I did is I read what they had, and I just, 1, 2, 3, logically figured out what this company might be about, and then I Googled what it was about, and boom, it actually popped up. So it's a pharmaceutical biotech company, and they're waiting on a special cream that they're waiting to get approved by the FDA. They tried it once before and it didn't make it. So this is the second time, and the company is about a 30 to 40 dollar per share company history. And in the last, I'm gonna say, from what my charts say, it was it dropped significantly, about a couple years ago. Where are you? Let me give you an idea here. 2 years ago, it dropped in 2017. Actually, the beginning of 2000, May, June, July of last year, it dropped down to about $1.50, and then just today it shot to $3.20. Well, when I read what I did today, I went and investigated. I went ahead and looked into it, and I set my buy at $2.98. And I waited, and right around noon, I decided, well, she's sitting at 3. I'm going to go ahead and set it at 3. And she actually dropped, and it bought. So I actually bought my shares at $3. Well, about 2 o'clock, she shot up to $3.20. So I made 20 cents a share. So I can't complain on that. And supposedly approval goes down on Saturday the 17th. This company could shoot just like Cialis and Viagra. So there's a hint. It's in the biotech, and it's in equivalent with Viagra and Cialis. The only difference is those two are pills. This is actually a cream. So we will see what happens. And that's basically it for that. I didn't mention that when I invested in Kodak, I thought it was going to shoot when they announced the release of their Kodak coin. Well, it didn't burst like I thought it was going to, and it actually has come down to about $6 a share. I'm still kind of, let's see, where am I in that? Sometimes things just don't work the way. Let's see, I am actually, I bought in at $9.39, and it's sitting at $7. So I've actually got a $62 loss sitting there right now. The company that I just talked about is now, I got a $3 profit on that. Another one of my sell and buy backups, I've got a $40 gain, and overall loss right now minus $513. But of course now I'm dealing with 9 stocks, where originally I was only working with 5 stocks, and of course I own more stocks of everything. So there you go. That was advantages. Also, another company that I originally thought it was the one this one that I just bought on, but it wasn't, and it is sitting right now at 43 cents a share. Let's see if we actually got a gain on that. No. Everything kind of, that one neutraled out on that. So no gain and no loss on that particular stock. But next week I think I may take a look at that. We'll see how this company that I just invested in does. And I'll weigh my odds as whether I'm going to buy a couple more shares of this one that I just bought, or go back and buy some more of the other one. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next day trading.